are there any exemptions that a debtor or creditor or a judgment debtor would have in a garnishment action?
Yes, and these can vary from state to state. Exemptions exist under federal law. So this is what makes collections a little bit complicated is you have federal law which provides certain exemptions. For example, you cannot garnish Social Security
Sure.
benefits from somebody. That's a common example of a federal garnishment protection. But there's also state exemptions. So in Georgia, there is not an exemption on wages. So you can, aside from any limitations at the federal level, there's no supplemental Georgia protection of wages of garnishment. But in Florida, we have what's called the head of household or head of family exemption. And what that exemption is that you cannot garnish the wages of a head of household without their consent. And the definite issue that comes up is who's the head of a household?
Yep.
What qualifies someone to be the head of a household? There's a definition in the statute that says if someone provides more than half the support for a dependent, then they qualify as a head of household. But there's questions about, are they really providing half the support of a dependent? What is a dependent? Unfortunately, those are some things that are left up to the court to decide.
Sure.
And those things can be litigated and debated, and judges have to decide on the individual facts of a case.